Hi there, it's Mark and I've just popped in to tell you about a new Lightroom course coming soon to my YouTube channel, which also means it's free. Mastering masks in Adobe Lightroom. Week by week we'll be taking a look at masks, starting with the very basic masks, the default offerings that you get in Lightroom, and working our way through all the various adaptations there are of them, learning the best tools, tips, tricks and techniques that are available. But the power of masking is not in learning those individual features. The power in masking is combining them. You don't have to have a single mask. I've had a combination of 12 masks in the one mask, not 12 separate masks, to achieve something very, very specific in one edit. And other times a single mask is all that was needed. When to use which, how to combine them, how to intersect them, how to add and subtract, they're all going to be more towards the advanced topics, and that's where masking really comes alive. Now I say advanced, that doesn't mean complicated. I say advanced because it's not basic, it's not just one click. You have to do a little bit of work, but that work isn't hard. It's just intuitive. You just need to be shown and then away you go. So that's what we're going to do, starting with the very, very basics next week with our first episode. Now, as I'm recording these week on week, it gives you the opportunity to add in comments additional questions, which I will then play catch up with in future weeks. So you get to hear and see the answer to your questions. What else? Oh yes, all the images we will use will be available to download from our website, and week on week, the link for those will be down below in the video notes. And that's the best way to learn. Because if I'm demonstrating something on a picture of Dunstanburgh Castle and you've got the same picture in front of you and what you see doesn't match what I show, then one of us, clue it wasn't me, has gone awry. So it's a visual clue to make you realise, rather than wait to the end and think what went wrong, you can see straight away that you've done something slightly wrong, and so you can backtrack. So download and use those resources. They're all free, as is the course. This isn't the only thing I'm doing in my channel. I have been producing regular videos and I will continue to do so. So I'll be slotting those in. We're not just going to start with this course and go through its finishes before you see extra content. Other content will be slotted in at the same time. So that's it. Bookmark the page, if bookmarks are still a thing these days. Click on subscribe, click on like, and importantly, click on that notification bell so you're notified as soon as the next version of the course. Episode. Yeah, we'll go with episode. And that's it. So I better get cracking. Bye for now.